Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we implemented data transformation steps for a data transformation example in Power BI. In this video, we are going to walk through a real-world data transformation scenario. Let's get started. Our focus today is on transforming raw data into structured tables using Power BI. We will look at how to break a large table into smaller, more meaningful ones, especially sales, customer, movie, and date tables. Imagine this, you are working with a subscription based streaming service provider. They rent movies to customers and have collected subscription data over the years. Now, they want to analyze that data to gain insights. Our goal here is to break that large dataset into four separate but related tables for better analysis. The tables will be sales table, which contains customer ID, movie ID, date ID, and subscription sold. The other table will be customer table. It will be containing ID, name, country, email, and phone. The movie table will contain ID, title, and genre. Date table will contain ID, year, month, and date. This structure will help in building relationships and running clean, efficient queries inside Power BI. That's all for this overview. In the next video, we will implement this transformation step by step inside Power BI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.